Hello and welcome to our second video of mensuration. So in my last video, I have given a brief introduction about mensuration. Okay, so here I have taken a problem relating to mensuration and now let's discuss that. Okay, here the question is a piece of string is 30 centimeter long. What will be the length of each side of the string is used to form a square, an equilateral triangle, a regular hexagon. What did you get? So, in my last videos, what did I say? When you get a problem like this, try to utilize your rough space. Okay, when in the rough space, what hints have you got here? Yes, you have got a string is 30 centimeter. So, consider this as a string which is what? 30 centimeter. So, what did we get? The length, right? So, what did you get from the second question? What hint did you get? What will be the length of each side of the string to form a square? So, draw a square. You have to get a square, right? So, with this string, we have drawn a square. So, now what is this 30 centimeter in the square? Yes, it's the perimeter, right? When you go once around the boundary, right? So, that is 30 centimeter is the perimeter of the square. So, what is asked here? What will be the length of each side of the string? So, what do you have to find? A, right? So, we have to find A, each side of the square. So, now what is the formula we know about perimeter? Yes, we have perimeter is equal to 4A, right? This is the standard formula used for the perimeter of square. So, now put our hints into that. What hint did we get? 30 centimeter, right? Is equal to 4A. Now, we don't know this A. We have to find this A. That is the side of the square. So, how will you get that? 4A means what? Yes, it's 4 into A, right? So, in order to get this A, this is a blank, okay? In order to get this A, what do you have to do? You have to move this to the left hand side. That is, you get 30. When you move this to the denominator of 30, you get what? You get only A here. That is our question mark, right? So, 30 divided by 4, what you get? Yes, it is, see, when you get 330, that is, you get it as 7.5, right? That is simple division. So, A is 7.5 centimeter. How did you get the centimeter? We got our perimeter has 30 centimeters. So, the side should be written in centimeter, right? When you add 4 times 7.5, you get 30, right? So, this is a simple question, right? Only thing you have to know is from the question, that is, we put the question 30 into the P and then we derive the answer. Only thing you have to be careful that you have to move this A to the denominator, then you get you A simply. So, now take this equilateral triangle. What again? See, consider this is our equilateral triangle. Again, we got what? 30, the perimeter, right? So, what was our equation for the perimeter of an equilateral triangle? P is equal to 3A. So, same is the case here. What we got? 30. Only the difference is that you got 4 sides for a square and you get only 3 sides for a triangle. So, when you move this 3 here, what do you get? You get the A, right? So, what is our A? 3 divided by 30 you get as 10. So, A is equal to 10, right? Okay, now a regular hexagon. So, what are the sides? Here you should know the sides of hexagon. How many sides an hexagon has got? Yes, it has got 6 sides. So, again what? Perimeter is equal to 6A, right? So, what is the perimeter? 30 and what? 6A. Again, you have to find the A. So, what? You have to move this 6 to the denominator. So, you get A, what? A is equal to 5 centimeter. Don't forget to put the units when you get the answer because you have mark for that, right? That's all. So now let's discuss our second problem about mensuration. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 175 meter and breadth 125 meter at the rate of rupees 12 per meter. So, Please picturize this problem. See, you have got a rectangular park, right? And what are the hints given here? Yes, you have got the length 175 meter and breadth 125 meter. So, when you get like this, look for the question. What is being asked? Find the cost, right? Cost is being asked here, okay, of fencing the rectangular park. So what? You have to fence this, right? So you understood that the question is related to find the perimeter. When you want to cover your park with the fence, you have to find the perimeter. So what you have to do? You have to start with the perimeter, right? Perimeter of the park. Since it is rectangular, you should use your formula 2 into L plus B, right? So you have got your L and B, right? 175 plus 125, right? So what is the answer? 175 plus 125, it is 300. So 2 into 300 is what? 600. What is the unit here? Huh? Since both the sides are written in meter, you have to write it here as meter, right? So, now what is asked? Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of this much length and breadth of rupees 12 per meter, right? So, you have to find the cost of fencing. So cost of fencing 1 meter is rupees 12. So how much meters we have? We have 600 meter. So in order to get the answer, we have to multiply the 1 meter rate into the 600 meter, right? So this is rupees and this is meter, right? So 600 into 12. What do you get? 12 6 are 72. That is 7,200. What? Not meter. This is rupees because we have got the meter and we have to find the rate, right? So we have to multiply it into rupees. So we got the answer in. Did you get it? So if you have any doubts relating the problems of mensuration, feel free to comment below and ask me and I will get you.